Hey, it is your girl Tanisha Shanae, Miss Inspiration, but today I am in professor mode, so fully professor inspiration. I had some people ask me about Microsoft Excel. If you don't know, I've been teaching Microsoft products for the last 13 years between college, workforce programs, or just anyone that needs to learn how to use these tools. So I have decided to put together an Excel beginner's course, live instructor led, so that you can come ask questions, get the information that you need. And because I'm always in professor mode, I will be adding an additional option for you to come meet me a couple of days after our live session for an open office hour. Here's where you can come and ask questions. Maybe you tried out some of the things, it didn't come out right, and you want to make sure that you're doing it correctly. Then you would make sure that you would come to the office hour. One low price. So this is a live class. You will get access to the recordings, access to the lecture notes, and pretty much have access to any tools that I will be providing to the class. So if you need to learn how to do formulas, the basic functions, graphs and charts in Microsoft Excel, then this is the class for you, and I do recommend that you sign up. Now, if you see that the course has already been full, please join the waiting list, because I will be adding other days, for daytime, evening, and even weekends to accommodate those that have different schedules. I don't want you to miss out. And yes, we will be having advanced and intermediate courses as well, but we got to get the beginners together, foundational, so that they can get the jobs that they need, they can advance and get the promotions that they desire. And for some of you, you might want to start becoming a virtual assistant. You might need that as well in your toolbox so that you can get the contracts and the clients that you need. Look, I'm thinking big for all of you. Go ahead, join my class, sign up for the first one, and let's get started. I can't wait to see you.